Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick tool haul, picked up some items from Lowe's, a couple Craftsman items, and some other stuff. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So I went to Lowe's, picked up a few items. Just going to be a quick little tool haul. So let's grab what's in the bag first. So I picked one of these Toughbuilt scraper utility knives plus 10 blades. This I actually saw on Autobahn Dan's Instagram, and I'll leave a link up here for his channel, as well as probably a couple of his videos, and possibly I'll leave his Instagram in the comments, or either the comments or in the description below. I'll ask him if he wants me, or if he's okay with me posting that stuff. But I will definitely post his YouTube channel in a card up here, which I'm sure he won't have an issue with that. But this is one of the newer Toughbuilt, which is part number Tough Bravo, or Tony Bravo Henry 4 Sam 10-01 TB, probably stands for Toughbuilt. Lifetime warranty, scraper tool and utility knife. It's pretty nice little unit. Bonus 10 pack, 5 more blades. So the way this works is you can flip it up and it's a utility knife, or if you push it further, it flips, slides down, and it's now a scraper. Flip it up again, flips back to a utility knife, slides down, and then you can push this button and slide it all the way down to hide it. Also picked up this Craftsman item, which is a 3-jaw oil filter wrench. I always wanted to try one of these, see how well they work. It says range 2.5 inch or 63 millimeters all the way to 4 3/8 an inch, 3/8 of an inch, or 110 millimeters, 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch drive. So thought it was pretty neat. I've seen some people like these, some people hate them. I've never tried one. Other Craftsman item is this 4-way lug wrench. I actually have a black one that has been in my SR5 for a very long time. This one is a Craftsman. It's gray, 3/4, 19 millimeter, 11/16, 17 millimeter, 7/8, 22 millimeter, and 13/16 or 21 millimeter. As well as I picked this one up as well. This one is 11/16, 17 millimeter, 3/4, 19 millimeter, 13/16, 21 millimeter, 23 millimeter. Metric spec only, so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sizes, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different sizes. Picked both of these up, figured this is the tried and true method. Works, it always works on 2004 runners, but I wanted a collapsible one that you can put in a smaller space. Figured I'd give this one a try. This one was 29 bucks. This gray one was $19. If I remember correctly, this was 15, and then this was 17. But it's just a quick video. Let me look at the receipts over here. Lowe's. So the Craftsman cross wrench, which is this one right here, collapsible lug wrench. This one was $29.98, just to make sure. The 3-jaw oil filter wrench, this one right here, I was right, it was $14.98. The IO Toughbuilt Scraper Utility Knife was $17.98. That's this one right here. And then the Craftsman Fixed Crossbar, which is this guy right here, just fixed crossbar, was $19.98. So I was pretty close other than the cents. But total was $89.39 for the 4 items sitting here. You know, but I figured I'd just show you guys what I picked up. I did pick up a couple Craftsman items. I don't pick up Craftsman items very often. Figured I'd give them a try. There's 3 Craftsman items and then a Toughbuilt item. Everything that I've bought from Toughbuilt has worked extremely well. Flip from utility to scraper position on this Toughbuilt pocket knife, or the utility knife. Number 1 is utility knife. Flip from utility to scraper, and then scraper tool. And then to change the blade, there is that little, slide this guy back up, there's that little button at the top. You can just pull the blade out. It's like any standard utility knife. You can see that it's got regular utility knife blades. So you can put serrated blades in it if you want. You could put, you know, smooth blades in it. You could put, you know, hook blades, whatever you choose. It's a nice little unit. Just a quick, small little tool haul. It'll pop everything out of the 3 items here that are in a container. I'll pop them out of the containers in the next video. This lug wrench is part number Charlie Mary Mary Tony 98352. This fixed lug wrench, 20-inch lug wrench, is part number Charlie Mary Mary Tony 98281. And this one, which is the collapsible lug wrench, is part number Charlie Mary Mary Tony 98342. If you guys are interested in looking at those, we'll take them out of their package in the next video. The 3 items that are in packages. That's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick video, kind of down and dirty, simple. No long explanations or chit chat about it. We can talk more about them in the next video. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Also do have an also Tools link down the top of the description below that would get you 10% off your tools at 10% off your order at alsotools.com. As well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order, so when you guys use it, it is much appreciated. It does help me out as well. Want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, the people that like, dislike, and the people that watch. You guys are the reason that the channel's monetized. None of this was bought with channel money or YouTube money this time. Everything here I bought out of my own pocket, things that I wanted to try. We got another 2000 4Runner, so needed another lug wrench, and more than likely this gray one's going to go in the truck anyways. But I wanted to test out the collapsible ones. Figured, you know, maybe it would be a good idea to, you know, test them out, see how well they work, and go from there. Figured, you know, if I like it, I'll buy another one for the SR5, you know, down the road. You can actually use this Craftsman in several different configurations, and I'll show you guys in the unboxing. But just want to say thank you to all of you guys. If you guys monetarily provide money in any way, whether you are a member of the channel, which I do have memberships, if you use the PayPal link, or, you know, are a member on the Patreon, or you guys provide a super chat or anything like that, just want to say that I appreciate you guys that do that. It does help out. All links are affiliate links. I do get a small commission from them. But that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!